Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Reverend Father James Joss, the Vicar General and Education Director of our Diocese of Patna and the founder of Crane School. Reverend Father Joachim Thakur, Secretary cum Priest in charge of Crane School, Shirghati. Our Public Relation Officer, Crane School, Shirghati, Sir Sunil Prasad Sinha. Honorable Principal, Ms. Pratibha Sinha Ma'am, respected teachers and our dear seniors of Class 10. I, Anushka of Class 9C, extend a warm welcome to each one of you who has joined us on the special occasion of graduation cum farewell ceremony of Class 10. We are glad to see in our campus the visionary person as our chief guest who has set the milestone by establishing Crane School Shirghati on 2nd April 2016 and had played a very crucial role in expansion of other branches of Crane School. Father James, you have brought positive changes in lives of thousands of people. In this journey of 10 years, we have witnessed a splendid change, with a few rooms, handful teachers and some students to magnificent world-class infrastructure, 80 plus staffs and approx 2,000 students. Today is a day filled with mixed emotions. On one hand, we feel proud to see our students ready to step into new phase of life. And on other hand, it is difficult to say goodbye to such a wonderful batch. Finally, the day has come. We are all set to bid goodbye to our second batch of Class 10. You will always remain a part of this school family, no matter where life takes you. Remember that this will always be your second home. It's not easy to put into words the emotions we all are feeling right now. But let's take a moment to appreciate the time we have spent together. Today we are here to bid farewell to someone who has been an integral part of Crane School. It's hard to believe that the time has come for them to move on to their new educational journey. Your presence, dedication and hard work have left a lasting impact, and while we are going to miss you dearly, we are also incredibly excited for the bright future ahead of you. What we will always remember your qualities like leadership, dedication, positivity and sense of humor, which made our days better and our challenges easier to overcome. You have truly made a difference. We have learned a lot from you, and the impact you have had on us will resonate long after you have gone. Today, as we prepare to leave this chapter behind, remember that life will not always be easy. There will be obstacles, disappointments and moments of doubt. But never forget the strength you discovered within these walls. Never forget the confidence you built here. And most importantly, never stop believing in yourself. Wherever you go, carry with you the lessons of honesty, kindness and perseverance. Chase your dreams with confidence and never limit yourself. The world outside is vast and it's waiting for your talent and dedication. Marks and exams are important, but they do not define who you are. Your honesty, kindness, courage and determination will truly shape your future. Carry these values with you wherever you go, because it is well said, values are caught, not taught. I would like to conclude my speech by saying, goodbye is not the end. It's simply the beginning of a new journey. We will miss you deeply. May your efforts be strong, your future bright and your success limitless. At last, I would like to end my speech by saying a शायरी. कभी क्लास की मस्ती, कभी टीचर की डांट, हर दिन में छुपी थी खुशियों की बात. आज विदाई का पल दिल को छू जाता है, हर दोस्त का चेहरा याद आ जाता है. Thank you and all the very best for your journey ahead. God bless you all.